So with this video, I want to show you how to sell a stock that you already own. I already have the Thinkorswim app on my iPad. Notice there's a menu in the bottom. It says dashboard, watch list, positions, orders, and so on and so forth. If you tap on positions, you see how I already have 10 shares of Apple that I have purchased at $239.04, and the current price is $239.50. I'm just going to tap on that Apple, and notice a little screen popped out. It says buy and sell. You could buy more or you could sell, and there is a menu item. It says close position, and I could actually choose both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close position. So you can close the position with a stop order or with OCO bracket. It really is, if the price goes below a certain level, then you want to sell, then you should choose the stop or the brackets. But let's go ahead and select sell. We simply want to sell. Now notice we only have 100 shares, so let's change that to begin with. And then we are going to enter a limit order, and we want to enter a price that a limit price that we know it's going to go for. So let's say that we enter a 238 as a sale price, and this is a limit order, so the likelihood it will go at a better price, and that's about it. We tap on paper trade, and then make sure that we're selling 10 apples at 238, and then tap paper trade. Order was sold. Now notice just a few minutes ago on a separate video I actually purchased 10 shares of Apple at $239.04, and then I sold those shares at $239.37, and I realized that 33 cents of a profit. So 10 shares, that's $3 of and change. So now let's take a look at our positions. Now notice Apple is 0 and we don't have any outstanding positions. In about 2 days that Apple 0 will disappear. Notice if you look at the dashboard, we now have $3.26 more than our initial $200,000. So this is how you sell a stock that you already own.